I follow your YouTube, follow your Instagram. Yeah, it's crazy. Just don't even get to know me no more.
Follow me on Instagram?
No, I don't follow you on fucking Instagram. I don't follow anything that looks like you on Instagram. You're not attractive to me. Have a great night. Oh, shit. Let's have a conversation. Okay, let's have a... I gotta be careful. Oh shit, okay, hold on. Now Shay. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, that is so funny. Oh. Y'all didn't see shit. It wasn't nothing, y'all. It was nothing. Oh my god. Y'all didn't see shit. Nothing. It didn't say nothing. It didn't say nothing. It didn't say nothing. It didn't say nothing. Explain, please. I like big niggas. You said what? Okay. I can't hear you.
Should I look like a fat nigga or what?
I said I like big niggas. Hold on. Who said fat? That was you.
Big nigga? I ain't even big, though.
Prove it. You is big.
What you mean by big?
Big is big and fat. Big and fat are two different things. You're not fat. You're just big.
Okay. What that mean, though?
You all up in the fucking camp. Back the fuck up. You all in the camp.
I got the muscles. I got the muscles.
See, you? Would I let you punch me in the side of the head while we driving? Maybe.
What?
Yeah.
Hold on real quick. Yes, I did.
These your sexy headphones? Add some time. You said what?
I see my hand.
And flip it. Flip your hand real quick.
So you want to see how the knuckles look when they smack you?
No, I'm trying to see the dick size. I'm not convinced it's that big, but it doesn't matter about size.
But my hand look little?
It is. It's average.
My hand?
It's
no,
average.
It's not. That's crazy. It's really not though. I got a big ass hand, like no cap.
On a little body, you would think it's big.
No, like my hand is like the size of a nigga that's like 6'4". No cap.
How tall are you?
Tell you? I'm only 5'10".
Let's chat about let's chat about 5'10". That's a 5'10" hand.
No, it's not. I'm trying to tell you, it's not.
That's not a 6'4" hand.
Yes, well, this is a camera. Look how long my fingers is. You can't. I don't think you can really tell. But my hand is big as fuck.
It's giving no more than 7.5, 8 on a good day. That's my final verdict. That's my final verdict.
Okay, it is what it is.
But it's, you know, would I let you fuck me? Maybe. Yeah, I'm into that.
Yeah, you would. You would.
Don't get a big head. Don't get a big head.
I'm not getting no big head. I'm just saying.
Would you fuck me is the question.
I don't know. I gotta see what that body look like.
I look great. I look the fuck good. Not gonna lie to you.
Let me see. You ain't even smoking nothing.
This some OG. This.
That shit ain't even lit, my nigga.
Add some time. Let me tell you something. This is a Persian blunt. You don't know shit about this.
Yeah, inform me. Inform me. What's going on?
It's from Saudi Arabia, so it's like invisible smoke, and it burns really, really slow when you pull.
Are you dead ass right now?
Mm-hmm. This shit like $3,500 over there. My friend, he got a dispenser in Dubai.
You lying. What's it called?
Ghost. It's a ghost blunt.
A ghost blunt. I'm gonna look that shit up.
You can Google it. The shits is real. They like 30. They started $3,500 on God.
A ghost blunt. And it's weed in there?
They make them up. They make them over there.
That's kill, huh?
They make them over there so they can smoke in buildings and shit and not get caught. Like, it look like a. Oh shit! That shit is strong as fuck. Don't I shade?
Alright, I'm gonna lick that shit up. You done put me on some new shit.
Yeah, them bitches is expensive though. My friend, I would never bought this shit. He just gave them to me. I got like 30 of them.
I don't even smoke. Chill out now.
But I know how to pull. I'm high as fuck. I know how to pull, boy. Hush. Anyways, okay, rate me on a scale of like 1 through 10.
Got that thing on me. I don't smoke, but I got that thing on me.
That's my girl. Hennessy, I went to high school with her. I fuck with her.
Yeah?
But,
that's my thing. Rate you? I don't rate.
You're going to right now. Go ahead.
You're off the charts. You hear me? You hear me?
What? Stop. Here go the charts. Here go me.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Rate me. I'm on the chart.
You gotta take the headphones off for me to be honest. Ask one more time though.
The headphones, I got shit to do.
The headphones take at least 3 points off of whatever I'm about to say. So, yeah.
Just give it to me with the headphones in. I don't even look like this though.
I'm gonna say 8. 7, 8.
Okay, that's cool. So a 10 without the headphones. Yeah.
We gonna infer.
Yeah, already. Hold on, let me take a sip. Hold on.
Oh, look at you. Dried about. Okay, that's what's up.
You said what?
I said, go ahead and dried about. Oh my God, this fucking tube top is like so annoying. Yeah.
What size bra you wear? You lying.
C cup. D cup, C cup, D.
B cup, C cup, D?
D.
Oh, D?
Mm-hmm.
You lying. Let me see.
What you mean? What you want to see for they big as fuck?
I can't see you. I'm supposed to say I can't see you. I don't believe you.
Exactly, but they trust me. They there.
That look like you holding them with one hand.
Huh? No, it takes two. Whoa, heavy.
Nah, you lying.
Boom. Break a can open with them bitches.
Hit me in the head with that thing?
That's what you into. What's your kink? Don't burp in my face. I'm a bad bitch. But what's your kinks? What are you into?
My kinks?
Mm-hmm.
I just like a fat ass.
Check.
Some good hair.
Check. Well, that's me. I got another question though. Ask me time. So, this is just a hypothetical question. You know what hypothetical means, right?
Of course. Do I look like a dummy to you?
Watch your mouth. With them headphones on, yeah. But so here's a hypothetical. So let's just say I was giving you head and you liking it because you gonna like it, and I was looking your balls and you liking it, and then I just started eating your ass. What's up?
I'll be like, what the fuck is you doing?
And then what?
You might get punched in the head.
And then what?
And then you gonna keep sucking my dick. What you mean?
And then let's just hypothetically say I make my way back down to that asshole. Then what?
I don't know. Then we might have to.
Just let it happen?
I might tell you, I said, no, hell no. I'm gonna tell you to go home.
Well, I'm a nigga anyway, so I don't think you'd be into it.
You a nigga?
Yeah.
You a nigga?
Uh-huh.
No, you're not, bro.
I am.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
You don't believe me?
No.
I look that
How
good?
are you a nigga?
I look that good?
No, I just don't think that you're a nigga. How is you a nigga? Yeah. Let me hear your real voice.
Hey.
Hell no. Hell no, cuz.
Yeah, it's crazy. 2020. Anything can happen.
No, you're lying.
I'm dead. Hey. Okay, listen. This is me. I'm dead serious. I don't gotta lie about shit.
Dead ass.
On my mama. On my hood.
So you a trans?
Well, no. Let's. Whoa. Labels. Avoid them.
I mean, if that's what if you a nigga and you look like a girl or you trying to be a girl, then that's a trans.
Pause. I'm not trying to be a girl. There's girls out there that's trying to look this good. I'm just a pretty nigga that pulls this look well. I don't want to be a girl. I can't help that my face is shaped soft and like a bitch. I can't, no.
So you don't want to be a girl, but you got braids and you got nails.
Who said girls the only ones that can wear braids?
Nigga, me.
Who are you to tell to get laws of the land?
All right, society.
Fuck society.
Those type of braids. Those are female braids.
No, they're female braids because you think that they are. They're not. Because when I bought the packet, it didn't say niggas can't wear these. Bitch, I gave them my good American green and I got my hair.
No.
Yes. No. That's what happened. That's exactly what happened.
You know that's a female look though.
Okay, and you know them headphones look a mess.
And you know the nails is female nails.
No, they're not female nails. They're nails. You assigned these nails to bitches. I don't fucking know why.
No, society.
No.
Majority rules.
Fuck majority. I'm not majority. I look better than majority of bitches that I see out in the streets. No, I'm not going off what the fuck they say.
So where are you from though?
I'm from, guess. Where's a lot of me's
that?
that?
Nigga, the world is big. I don't know.
Atlanta. Yeah, it's crazy.
Atlanta?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see your hand.
Oh, yeah. Now you want to see the nigga now. That's great.
Yeah, let me see your hand.
Yeah, nigga, strong. Ooh, man hands.
No, stop moving it around. Just put it on there. Let me see it.
I'm telling you, I have to put my dick in the camera for you to believe me. What's going on?
No. If I see your body, I'll know. But
you won't. That's just crazy. You won't.
By your body?
If I sent you a video of my body, you would definitely think I'm a bitch. You would further believe that I'm not a nigga. I'm thick as fuck. I'm built like a bitch.
Built like a bitch.
I'm so serious. You think I'm joking? I'm so serious.
Ah, damn, that shit is crazy.
Yeah.
I would hope that you're playing right now.
If you know bitches that can make their voice like this, let me know the city you live in. I don't want to come. That's scary.
But that voice don't even sound like a natural voice, though.
It's not. Because this is my natural voice. This, da-da-da. This, nigga. This is me. Da-da-da. Hey, what's up? That me.
It's your natural voice, though. If you a nigga, that's not your natural voice. You're not. That's your voice that you made.
No, nigga, I'm phoning. Bitch, I'm dead the fuck serious. This is. Oh, you know what? I don't understand what's so. I'm telling you, you don't want to believe me. Y'all know how many arguments I get in because niggas don't believe me when I tell them. That happens all the fucking time. Like, I'm dead serious. Like, bitch, nigga, he's not the first one to do that. In the last 3 weeks, I probably had 20 niggas do exactly like him. Like, do not believe me whatsoever. I don't know what the fuck else to tell these niggas, bitch. I just look good. I look so good, niggas don't believe me when I try to tell them the truth. It's crazy. Because I look like a pretty ass bitch. I mean, shade. And then they gonna think I'm a tranny.
What's up, bro? I'm a tranny.
The only way they'll clock my T is if they see me before. And that's just all it is. Niggas don't clock my T. That's really it. Like, only way niggas will clock me is if they see me in a viral video or something. That's why I hate being popular, because I pull good fish. I pull a damn good fish, bitch. Effortlessly. No moans, no surgery, no nothing, no makeup. Tuh. They just don't want to believe it, period. I pull a good fish.
Shut up, man.
Shut your bitch ass up, I'll fuck me your ass. I'm trying to get like Shay. I'm just saying, girl. Hey, what's up? I'm gonna get freaky. Whoop, whoop, got you, bitch. I'm pregnant.
Yo.
I'm trying to fuck.
What's up?
Oh. Hey, what's up? What's good?
Yeah, follow me back.
Somebody knocking on your window.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody knocking on your window.
Nope. Don't believe it.
Oh. So why is it dark in here?
Because I'm laying down.
Keep talking. If I can describe what you look like, let me know if I'm getting it right, okay? Ooh, let's play a game. I gotta describe what you look like just by how you talking, okay?
Alright, bet.
Okay, I'm gonna get it right. Okay, let's see. Where are you from?
I stay in Atlanta, but I'm not from me.
Brown skin. You definitely have brown skin. Okay. Did you?
No.
You ran track.
No.
You didn't play sports? You played football?
Yeah.
So you're thick. Okay. You got a fat ass. All right. So then you're clear. So you're not over 6'3". You're between 5'10" and 6'1".
Yep.
Yeah, I'm getting close. Okay. You got to keep talking. I got to keep hearing your voice.
Alright, bet.
So how about this? Say your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S.
You slipped up on the letter, so that means you're a little bit slow. You got a low haircut?
No, hell no.
So you got a lot of hair?
Yeah.
Dumbass with a lot of hair. Okay, keep saying the alphabet, start over.
Damn! I got me a dumbass.
Shh, I'm listening. I'm gonna get this right. Brown skin.
I don't know my ABC.
Okay, say
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
That's not the fucking alphabet.
Boy, what? Yes, the fuck it is.
Say it one more time and say it slow.
Oh, Lord. Alright. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
You got it right that time because you slowed the fuck down. So you go fast. That means you fuck fast. Okay. I'm going to say... You play football. You have a lot of hair. You got your sides shaved?
Yeah.
Just your sides, though, with a little line up. Okay. Wow. You don't have any socks on right now, do you?
No.
Sounds like it. I'm going to say you are like... You black. I don't think you mix with nothing.
Yeah.
You fuck good. You currently don't play sports. It's probably because your age. You stay on the west side? You don't know Atlanta that well? Because you took too fucking long. You don't know the city. You don't know where you at. Okay. So you probably grew up in the suburbs. Did you grow up in the suburbs? Nice neighborhood, nice front yard?
Yeah.
Yeah, you took too long. I can tell when you're not a native. So I mean, you're not hood. Ooh, so that takes me back a minute. Okay.
You ain't gotta be hood.
You went to church growing up?
Somewhat.
Yeah, because I heard it when you said, "Oh Lord." Yeah, you got that from somebody, grandma. But wow. I'm gonna say you're probably an 8 out of 10.
Ooh, yeah, got it right.
Oh, because you think you're an 8 out of 10 too. Low self-esteem. Low self-esteem. You're emotional. Okay. So you're single right now.
Can you get my zodiac sign?
Guess your zodiac sign. You gotta tell me. Oh fuck. Okay. Okay. I can guess your sign. Tell me what you would do in this scenario. You find out that your partner has been talking to your best friend, and your best friend didn't tell you, and you had to find out through another person. What's your initial reaction? Who are you approaching first, the best friend or the partner? And who are you going to be more mad at?
My best friend.
Why?
Because if you my dog, you supposed to tell me. Like, if you my dog, you supposed to tell me. Like, you supposed to be my right hand
Emotional
man.
bitch. Are you a
And
Cancer?
for you to go fuck. No.
Taurus?
No. You wouldn't believe what I am.
You not no
If I
damn
told you.
Leo, and you're not a damn Sagittarius, and you damn sure not no Pisces. So what's it giving?
I'm a Scorpio.
Oh, okay. Yeah, them some insignificant motherfuckers right there. Oh, so you hold grudges.
Oh, yeah.
You
Real
hold-
big grudges.
Wow, that's about the biggest thing on you, yeah, because I'm getting about 7.5 inches down there. Okay, well, hey, ain't nothing wrong with being a Scorpio.
7.5.
Yeah, that squeal in your voice right there, that ain't no 10 inches. I'm a hood bitch. I know what I'm talking
Better
about.
boost me up, stuff.
Boost you up. I have to see. I have to
Alright,
see your hand to like tell you the truth.
You gotta see my hands.
Well, your hand and your foot. Then I could tell you exactly what your dick looks like. It's scary how I can do it. I know it's crazy.
Alright. If I gave you my shoe size, I wear 11.5.
It's not the shoe size I'm looking at, sweetheart. I'm a dickologist. It's something else.
What's your zodiac sign?
Can you guess? I think I know everything,
The
so
same
that should make
question
it. That should make it easy.
I want to say Leo.
Why do you want to say a Leo? Why do you want to say a Leo?
Something just giving me a strong feeling about Leo or a Gemini.
What's giving you Leo? What's the carrot? What's jumping out?
You jump to conclusions. Ugh.
Bitch, no the fuck I don't jump to no damn conclusions. I just know what the fuck I know. Look at me, defensive. Defensive, me. Nah, man. Well, I might be. That's fine. I don't jump to conclusions. Yeah.
So what you are?
I'm a fucking Leo. You got it right.
Oh shit! Got her on my first try.
That was shade to me because it took me like 4 tries. Okay. That's cool.
Yeah, how was your day?
Good. Shit. Damn, lost my voice. I couldn't talk. Fucking grape tried to kill me. Pretty good. I ain't do shit. Stay in the house. Pay the bill.
You smoke?
Yeah, I do. Actually, I smoke good weed. 3-5. I could face a 3-5 by myself.
Okay.
That's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah.
Backwoods or Swishers?
Backwoods because they pull slower. I don't like swishers or papers. That's the weak shit. I don't smoke swishers at all.
If you're a real smoker, if you put honey on your backwood, do it pull slow?
No.
Okay.
No. What the fuck? Who told you that?
Trust ain't it. You gotta be the right kind of high to know that shit. To know that shit do not work.
Okay, if you a real smoker, the smoking the black after you smoke a backwood increase your high.
Yep. Cause you can smoke oh damn, I get my words fucked up. If you smoke a black, drink some juice, goddamn, all that will increase your damn high.
Okay, yeah.
And eating cereal.
I don't know about that one, but yeah, smoking the black, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm a smoker, stoner, that's me.
Do you drink?
Oh yeah, Parmesan, brandy, 42, 1800, Jägermeister, even moonshine. Them white boys got me drinking moonshine.
I know about that Parmesan.
Yeah, I'm a peach type of bitch though.
I was just about to say that, either peach or mango.
Mangoes for the hood, bitches. See, that's when you're trying to have a good time. Peach, it's a smooth taste.
Henny?
That's what I'm trying to fuck. I stay away from Henny because I gotta fuck something if I drink that.
Shit. You got a nigga?
Mm-mm.
Why?
Because niggas are,
Niggas aren't what?
A distraction.
From what?
Me making my money. Niggas are,
But if you got a real nigga shouldn't come between that.
Every nigga think they a real nigga till it's time to get real. I ain't got time for all the charades and shit.
Shit. I don't know what type of niggas you been messing with.
So you a real nigga, huh? What make you such a real nigga?
Cause I ain't like all these other people out here. I know when it's time to say what you about. I know when it's time to put that in action. You can't be speaking the real shit, and then when shit hit the fan, you be acting like you ain't say that shit. Acting like a little bitch, talking about, that ain't got shit to do with me. Hell nah, you said you was gonna do it, so it done hit the fan, you gotta pop your shit now.
I have to see your face. You're saying a lot of good shit in my ear. I can't keep talking to a dark screen.
It's like that?
Yes, you don't get no big head though, but yeah.
I ain't got no big head, cause I'm probably ugly. You gonna be like, oh, I'm ugly, so.
So you have confidence issues.
I'm a Scorpio, so I don't know what the fuck be going through my head sometimes.
You gotta know that you look good, cause can't no bitch tell me I'm ugly. I look fucking great. That's just me though. I don't give a fuck. But
no question. So this is my question. If
I'm into oh, okay.
So this is my thing. If you don't want a nigga, then how can you expect for you to be like, I want to fuck something if you ain't got a nigga?
How can I want to fuck without having a nigga?
Yeah.
Kind of fucking quick.
Because really, it's a trick question, that's why.
First of all, I don't just fuck anybody, but fucking somebody that's not my nigga is not hard when you're grown. When you're childish, yeah, it's pretty difficult. But when you're grown and you make up in your mind that you want to fuck a person and you've felt in your mind it's the right decision, ain't no wrong decision when you're grown. You do what you want.
See, that's all I was getting. See, you basically got the question right, goddamn.
Yeah.
Because basically, the whole thing was to see if you was just giving your body up to anybody. That's basically what the question was.
I would never do that. Like, fucking on a nigga I don't know, giving a nigga head I don't know, I've never done I'm not into that. That shit is dirty as fuck. I'm too pretty for that.
So what brings you on this little app?
I'm bored. My friend told me to be funny people on here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you moonwalked around my question, though. I still want to see your face. I ain't forgot.
Oh, I got you. Shit, I'm just asking you a question right now. You asked me all these questions, so I want to ask you some questions. Is that okay?
Okay.
Who did your braids?
My homegirl on the east side.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas, but I stay in Atlanta.
You stay in Atlanta too?
I stay in Covington, but I be in Atlanta.
Okay. I see your little braids.
Yeah, they not little. They long as fuck.
Alright. Shit, what else I want to ask?
I want to ask you how far that light switch is away.
Huh?
I want to ask you how far that light switch is.
Across the room.
It's just a few steps. You can go ahead and take it.
Oh, I could. But I'm about to finish rolling my thing. But I got you. Just because you said that, I got you.
Shit. He ugly. Oh. Damn. It be the ugly niggas with the cool personalities. He ugly. I hate... Y'all, that's why I do what I do. I do what I do on the internet so that people can be as confident as me. Because I bet you that boy probably feel like because he said it, you probably gonna think I'm ugly. He probably get told he ugly. Well, he probably is ugly. But I don't want nobody to feel like they're ugly. Like, my purpose on the internet, if I don't say it often, is to make people laugh and feel good about themselves. Like, bitch, I really want everybody in here to feel like you is fine as fuck. Like, there should be nothing no bitch can tell you. Can't no bitch in your city call you ugly. Everybody in here needs to feel beautiful. Like, a bitch can never call me. I look good as the fuck. You know I'm ugly to somebody. I'm ugly to somebody, but that person's probably mentally retarded, and so I don't really take that vote into consideration. Damn, bitch, I want to see his face. Ain't he in Atlanta too? Could have been my nigga.
Hello.
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm pregnant. Add some time. Where is your face?
Yeah.
Okay. Hola, Abraham.
I really want to sleep, man.
Huh?
I just wake up.
You just wake up? Okay. So where you from?
Guess where I from?
You like to play games. You're from another country. Is it fucking Egypt? Saudi Arabia?
Uh-huh.
Oh, guess where I'm from?
United.
United what?
United States, of course. United States.
I'm actually from England.
England. Nice. Nice hair, by the way.
Thank you. So what time is it over there? Or is it, like, what time is it in Saudi Arabia? Yeah.
8 o'clock in the morning, a.m.
Wow. That's fucking far.
Yeah.
So do y'all, like, drive sand dunes and shit? Like, kill camels or something?
No, we don't kill camels. Maybe sometimes.
Is that American Eagle? They're popular with your people. I see a lot of motherfucking Arabians wearing that shit.
Yeah, so bad. It's my gum, for sleep only.
So there's a Western idea that Saudi Arabian people, y'all are rich and y'all beat women.
So not all the Saudi Arabians is rich. Some of them very, very poor,
Are you rich?
Me, not. I'm with the normal people.
Okay. Because, bitch, I don't want me a Saudi Arabian sugar daddy. Now, that's money. Now, you want to know about some money, bitch? Get you one of them old men from Dubai. Bitch, y'all wonder why all these celebrities and rappers be in Dubai? Bitch, that is the richest fucking place on earth. They just waste money over there in Dubai, bitch. I know that if a Saudi Arabia, if if one of them Arabian motherfucking sugar daddies caught their eyes on me, they would throw money at me, bitch, cause and bitch, some of them niggas be into fucking trans girls any fucking way, so bitch, I mean, I'm not fucking trans, but bitch, I got a chance. I just need to catch that eye, y'all. If I catch the eye of one of them, I'm good, bitch. I am good.
Wait. Oh, hell no.
I want me a Saudi Arabian sugar daddy. Bitch, I saying Corona. Grab by. That motherfucker look depressed. Bitch, fuck you. You know. Okay. Shay, you got Corona. I do. I can't do another Android. Okay, y'all. Y'all want to get on Tinder? Oh, girl, I forgot. I told y'all I was going to get on Tinder. Okay, y'all give me like 10 minutes, and then, because, bitch, I gotta get something to drink. Bitch, my throat is dry. I think these grapes dry my fucking throat out. I thought they would do the opposite.
What's up, chat?
Slow your roll, partner. You got too much dip on your chip. It's Shay.
Bro, you sound like a gorilla.
You fat penguin. You know, white. I gotta go. I'm gonna get the fuck about this motherfucker. Yeah, keep my fucking name out your mouth, bitch. Okay, y'all. We gotta fucking go. Alright, y'all. Oh my god, bitch. I'm getting tired, y'all. But it's only midnight. So if y'all stay up, the next time I go live, we'll be getting on Tinder, okay? So, yeah.